A vending machine. I wonder what I can get. Cupcake! Cupcake! Cupcake. Oh wait, I can get something out of there. No money.
Welcome to KGURLZ TV. And now we have the new Shopkins. Ooh, and look at the buttons. Just press it like this. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. And look at the little cute Shopkins. And look at the little soda. He looks so cute. Yeah. Oh, we have the little cupcake. Yeah, we have cake in the back. And then we have a cupcake, the ice cream pop. And then we have a little cake. And it have a wrapper on it because it's going to be somebody's birthday today. And now we have chocolate board. It calls a chocolate board. Now we have a little soda, and then we have a lollipop. And then in the back, we have some cake, and some toothbrush, and some salt. And we have some cookies with something inside. Shopkins with the little tasty treats. Come in and be our guest. And now let's open it. That was hard. But let's get to open it. We have the stickers to see what we have. We open it up. This very hard thing out. Oh, we could take this out too. Let's put this back in. Can't get it in. There we go. Now let's put the little Shopkins in. Now the Shopkins gonna sit in here for 2 days. Shopkins in there. Oh, we can see it under the mirror. Let me put it down for you. 1, 2. Now you can sit it up here, or you can sit on one of these boxes. Sit it on here. Now just put the back over here, and then put the Shopkins in down here. I'm gonna put this one down here. Down here, and then you put this one down, and then put the piece on here, and ready to go. A customer yes, open it now.
What is that?
We got. I don't want to open it. We got. Now we have stuffies. I told you we have stuff. Jace, we about to open. Jace, we about to open it. We have one more now. I know. Which one do we have? Now we have a minion holding a peace sign. Now yes, come on. Now yes, open it. Now yes, open this. Jay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment.